What's going on? Marissa here. I'm super excited to be making this video for you. Hopefully you get a lot of insight and some help or some value from this video on your affiliate marketing journey. So in this video, I'm going to kind of get right to it. These are 5 skills you should learn to become a successful affiliate marketer. You want to, maybe you see what I'm doing, you're like, I want to freaking get to where you are, you know. And I was just kind of thinking, like, what are some things I know for a fact that if you master, or if you start to learn and apply, you will start seeing success with affiliate marketing, okay? And this is for you if you want to do this for a long time. Like if you want this to be a major income stream, one of the income streams you may have that gives you the life you desire. So let's go ahead and go to number 1, copywriting. Okay, copywriting is the process of writing advertising promotional materials. Okay, in other words, to make this sound a little bit better or to make you understand a little bit more, copywriting is rearranging words to make things sell better. It is a text form of salesmanship. Everything you see is copywriting, literally, like everything. This is a huge form of marketing that you will have to focus on and take seriously if you're trying, again, to make this like a full-time income or at least a major source of income for you. Copywriting is, some would say, an art. There are some people that get so good at this that people hire them. There are companies that seek out really good copywriters to help sell their products better. They know which words to say and what words to kind of put in front of people, the targeted audience for certain companies or whatever, to sell their stuff. There's a book I recommend you maybe look for, and that is called Making Ads Pay by John Caples. This is a really good book. I haven't gone through the whole thing, but the stuff that I have gone in here, it has just sunk into my head because it's made so much sense about copywriting. So copywriting could be anywhere from how you format your emails, how you post on Facebook, how you post on YouTube, how you post on Instagram, how you post on Pinterest, how you make paid ads, and just that's what copywriting is. Hopefully that makes sense. This is something right now you can take and start looking at YouTube videos or courses that can help you become a better copywriter. This is a big reason also why I like No Limits, because No Limits literally gives you copy and paste ads, okay, to go out there to start promoting. And once you get those ads and you really read them and study them, you start getting a glimpse at what copywriting really is and what it means and how it affects your sales. So that's number 1. Number 2, sales funnels or sales funnel building. So sales funnels is the process that somebody goes through before buying your product, okay? Every company has some sort of sales funnel. You see sales funnels a lot of times in your daily life. If you go to the grocery store or whatever store, you're walking through a physical sales funnel, whether you know it or not. A lot of times stores now have, next to their cashiers and registers, like a certain way you have to go through the line. Like if you go to a Marshalls or Ross or like Academy, there's another store I was at, the Dick's Sporting Goods, like every Best Buy, like Fry's, like you go through, next to their cashiers, you'll see like you almost go down an aisle of just nothing but products, and it's things that make you want to impulse buy, different candies, phone accessories, sunglasses, cool headphones, creams, lotions, candles, just things like that. That's a part of a sales funnel. And how it looks online is, when you're sending traffic to something, you want to send people to a sales funnel. A basic sales funnel consists of at least 2 pages. The first page being a capture page where you're capturing somebody's information, maybe their email address. So a part of also why sales funnels is awesome is because you're building an email list. Okay, this is something I definitely teach people on that pro level of No Limits with my bonus extra training page. So capture page, and then they usually get redirected to a landing page. Or it could be a sales page to help you. Again, it's where you'll also implement copywriting skills to get sales. Number 3, the follow-up. Okay, this is like huge, okay? Following up right now is crucial to your success. So I know that there's this life being painted to you by a lot of people, successful people, saying, hey, just get with this or that, and then just start sending traffic to it, and then, that's it, okay? Which you can get sales that way, but again, this is for you if you're interested in making this a major source of income. If you're not, if you're looking to make, a little bit of play money here and there, then, yeah, you can kind of do what most people are saying and get with opportunities, spend time learning them, apply it, and kind of sit back and see some sales come in. And I have people do that in the no limit system, literally. Some people say, oh, Marissa, I'm not really trying to just make all this crazy money. I just want to, make a little bit of money here and there. And, they just follow the system, they follow my training, and then they just do it. So it's cool. But, I'm really interested in helping the person that wants to make a lot of money. So the follow-up is really important. Once you get traffic, you want to follow up, okay? Whether it's in the form of getting somebody onto a social media platform where you can connect a little bit more with them. There's a couple of videos in my bonus extra training page for pro members on the no limit system where I literally show what my follow-up process is to get higher conversions. That means and here's what's beautiful about the follow-up process. You can automate it, and it doesn't have to be like this time-consuming thing. What's also really cool about it is if you're somebody that hasn't mastered traffic generation, if you're somebody that doesn't know how to get 100 leads a day or even more than that, you can take the traffic you are getting and the leads you are getting and just make them convert. Also, what's really cool about it is there aren't a lot of people really doing it. There's not a lot of marketers doing it. Because they don't really want to do it. So a lot of times when you're following up and it's genuine, you stand out from everybody else. And just for that fact alone, you'll get higher conversions. Number 4, money management. This is, this is an interesting one, and I want to talk about it because, again, more than likely, if you're serious about this, then I have no doubt that you'll get to the point where you're making good money. I believe in you if you really believe in yourself and you're with a solid system that you can do that with. So money management is huge, I see this happen a lot. Okay, it even happened to me at one point, I'll just be honest with you, but people come in a lot of times with affiliate marketing, they get with a system, they start it, they start applying, they start making money, they start making $100 a day, $200 a day. And sometimes when somebody's not used to making money like that, it's really easy to let your money management slip. And there's a few reasons why you want to have your money management game on lock. First off, you're going to get to the point where you're going to want to reinvest in your business. It doesn't have to be in paid ads, but it could be in other tools that can help you market more efficiently. Or it could be, using that money, okay, that you're saving or reinvesting to make your business grow even more with paid advertising, or maybe with better equipment, or outsourcing. Now maybe you want to outsource some work so you can focus on more of the creative side of marketing. Basically, don't spend all of the money you make, which a lot of times is kind of hard because a lot of people come into this because they want to make money so they can pay their bills. But in the very beginning stages of your journey, when you start making that money, be sure to save a portion of it and have a plan. Have a plan for that money. If you don't have a plan for that money, if it's only just for fun, or if it's only just for bills, you'll end up getting into this lazy cycle of making money, losing money, making money, losing money. No, you want to have a plan of where you want to go, okay, with this business. You're going to have to manage your money wisely. Number 5, finding irresistible offers or being irresistible yourself. Now, the second one's a little bit harder. So really the first part of this, finding irresistible offers, is something that literally can, especially right now with affiliate marketing, can kind of make or break you. It can also speed up your success in the beginning stages of your journey. I've learned the hard way to just not get with things that are complicated. When you're finding, especially in the niche I'm in, if you're looking at systems that have all these weird compensation plans and just a ton of crazy weird products. They're all over the board. I just find that it's confusing for a lot of people and it's just complicated. For me, you know, an irresistible offer for a lot of people in the space that I'm in is just finding something simple that people can follow, whether they're looking to make some play money or they literally want to do this and make a lot of money. I mean, $100 or more a day. Let me know in the comments if this was valuable to you in any way, shape, or form. If you want to know my #1 recommended program to get involved with, whether you're a newbie or not to this space, then click the link in the description below or in the comment section to check that out. What I can tell you about it is that it's super affordable. There are no monthly fees. You get paid 100% commissions that get paid out instantly to a PayPal or Stripe account. You learn information that other systems or people are literally charging hundreds or if not thousands of dollars for people to learn. When you join that pro level, you get a bonus extra training page from me, okay, that has 25 extra videos on top of what you're already gonna get with the system that gives you exactly what I am doing on a daily basis to make the money that I'm making, that you guys have been seeing me make, literally up to 500 bucks on a daily basis. You'll also get a little bit more prioritized coaching from me. So if that interests you and you're wanting, you know, somebody to kind of mentor you or just, you know, be there if you have any questions, again, click that link in the description below. Take a look at that system. If you're serious about changing your financial life, join that pro level. Get with me because there will be a time where I will not coach for the pro level price. It's coming, so, and it's getting closer and closer each day. So if you want to take advantage of that, do that now.